What if I told you this glowing liquid will soon become one of the most valuable objects on Earth? Behind layers of security, precision, and secrecy, gold bars are born. It all starts with raw gold, or ugly, dirty, and far from valuable. These rocks are crushed into fine particles to free the hidden gold inside. Next, chemical solutions separate gold from unwanted materials. This is where gold finally reveals itself. But this gold is still impure, far from bar grade. To purify it, temperatures rise beyond imagination. At over 1064 degrees Celsius, gold melts into a glowing liquid. Impurities rise and are carefully removed. Modern refineries demand extreme purity. Electrolysis pushes purity up to 99.99%. Every batch is tested, no mistakes allowed. One decimal off, and it's rejected. Now comes the transformation. Liquid gold takes its final shape. Cooling must be controlled. Too fast, and cracks form. Raw bars are born, but they're not finished yet. Edges are trimmed, surfaces refined. Each bar is polished to perfection. Then comes identity. Weight, purity, serial number. No two bars are the same. Accuracy here is measured in fractions of grams. Every bar faces final inspection. Fail once, and it goes back to the furnace. Only perfection moves forward. Bars are sealed to protect their value. Security tightens at every step. This is where billions quietly rest. From here, gold travels to banks and nations. Each bar represents trust, power, and wealth. Perfect on the outside, precise on the inside. Crafted by science, guarded by secrecy. From rock to royalty. This is how raw earth becomes global currency. Hidden processes, perfect precision. And now, you know the secret.